Behind the beauty of tropical forests lies a story of pure loyalty and sacrifice. This is the tale of the hornbill, a devoted guardian of its family. Every time a hornbill is lost, its entire family is at risk. The male tirelessly searches for food, flying long distances to provide for his mate and chicks. Meanwhile, the female stays confined for months, nurturing their eggs with unwavering dedication. Together, they protect and sacrifice for their family. Losing even one hornbill means breaking a bond, disrupting a delicate chain of life. Let's protect them, because every life we save is a story of love that continues to thrive.